Hey guys, Jason Hawkins, Tax Feeder Software. Hope you're doing well. Wanted to take just a few minutes today and address some concerns. I'm getting a lot of calls, I'm getting a lot of questions, a lot of inquiries about, hey Jason, what kind of technology exists if we have to go virtual this tax season? If people can't come to our office and see us, or if we can't go out and see them, how are we going to do business in 2021 with COVID-19 and with all the restrictions that are being put on us as business owners? And I'm excited to let you know that we have the solutions in place for you to be able to continue to operate in a virtual environment and continue to service your clients. So what you're looking at is the TaxFeeder software website. The far right-hand page, you'll notice it says Submit Tax Return Info. So as a client of TaxFeeder software, if you want to utilize this tool, you can very easily do that. All I have to do is add you as a site ID, site location for this tool. Your clients can go out to the TaxFeeder software website and they can submit their information to you. Okay, what's really cool about this feature, now this is web-based, but it's also available on mobile devices, whether you have iPhones or Android phones or tablets. You can also download the TaxFeeder software mobile app. But what you're looking at here is the web version of this tool. Some people are more comfortable operating in a web-based environment versus using a device. Okay. But really, what you're looking at is it's two steps. The first step is to enter your client data information. So this is the taxpayer information. Okay, now if it's a married filing joint return, you can select, married filing joint. It's also going to ask for spouse information. If you have any dependents, just select dependents. And now it's going to capture dependent information. It's going to get things like your address, your email, your contact information. And then here's where we would add your site ID. So whatever the name of your company is would exist or reside in this drop-down menu. And all they have to do is select your company, and their tax return information will be sent to you directly. And you're going to get an email notification that looks something like this. It's going to let you know that you've got a new submission, and it's going to provide you with this submission ID number here. And why that's important is because once you're in the software, from the work in progress screen, all you're going to do is click on this mobile app retrieval utility tool, and it's going to ask you for that five-digit info. So again, that's and it's going to pull all of that client data in to the client data screen within the software. So now, once you click on Next down here, what it's going to do, it's going to take you to the next screen, which is going to request that you upload your forms. So your W-2 forms, your 1099 forms, if you have a driver's license, social security cards, any relevant tax documents or forms, you can easily upload them right here on the website. And what's really cool about this, like I said, it's going to be integrated with your software install, and it's going to be linked to your user ID specifically as long as they select your location. Okay. And what's really cool about that is, all the client data is going to get pulled in, as well as all these documents. They're going to reside in the document archives within your software install. So you'll have all of the relevant information and documentation that you need to be able to file this client's return. And then once you've prepared that return and it's complete, it's then available to be sent out to your client for review and for electronic signature to finish up this return. So that's how you operate in a virtual environment, utilizing the tools, the software, and the technology that's available through your partnership with TaxFeeder software. So I hope that information was helpful. Please contact me if this is a tool that you would like to utilize. I'll make sure and get your site uploaded so that you can utilize this tool. If you want to go above and beyond and you want to brand your own app and you want to brand your own web app submission tool, I'm happy to make that happen for you, although it does come at a cost. We're looking at $1,000 development expense if you want to have this branded specifically for your company, so that instead of using TaxFeeder, it would be an app, it would be a web app plugin site that would be branded specifically for your company. So again, just wanted to make that available to you. It's not $1,000 that you have to spend if you just want to use the TaxFeeder software app that's already available and exists for you today. But did just want to make that option available to you because I know some of you have asked that question. Well, can I brand this specifically for my company? And the answer to that is yes. It's just going to come at a little bit of additional cost. So again, looking forward to continuing to partner with you and work with you during the 2021 season. We've got a great year ahead of us. I'm excited for the upcoming season, excited to be working with you. So we'll talk soon. Thank you.